I want to show y'all something. I ain't ever seen anything like this before in my life. Check it out. Now look at that. What the hell you think they doing up there? Now you know as well as I do, there's only one thing an old fisherman is gonna do about that. Get on out now! Get on out now! Holy shit! Here they come.